Haba, things they solve for this country. Just listen to this.
Hello, everyone. What you saw there are custom phones done for APC. Mr. Bola's campaign, the 2026-2027 campaigns. And you saw also Mrs. Remi Tinubu sharing buses to, is it youth leaders, zonal youth leaders, and all of that. In the meantime, they say you should go and fry akara and roast corn. They want poverty to kill you while they are there enjoying life. But I saw this thing that a question that Daily Trust posed, and which is who is funding Remi Tinubu? I think that's a question that needs to be asked from someone who once told us that they didn't have money. She was even asking someone to borrow her money for her husband to get from however that whole rubbish that they were talking about to all of.
Download Find Am now so that you can upload your products and services. So that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Now, for the record, Verydarkman life is at stake, and I expect every concerned citizen of Nigeria to be concerned about this case. Join me to create awareness. The reason why I want to create awareness is not because I'm a rat here. I am creating awareness because I'm a concerned citizen of Nigeria and I care about the justice system of Nigeria. With the little information reaching out to me, I was told from the video I saw that some top officials came to Verydarkman office and they wanted to negotiate the case of AIG Moshood about Ahmed. And like he should stop posting, that they should adjust it, it should help them clear his name. And Verydarkman declined. And the next thing that we do is to send a petition to him. You know, if I saw this video late today, today is August 1st, 6 p.m. and I am creating this awareness today. And I believe every meaningful Nigeria, every meaningful Ratel should join me. Even if there are 2 followers you get, join me and create this awareness. Start making video, tag me up, tag me, I will repost. Tag me to your video, I will repost personally. I will tap on repost button, I will comment and I will share. Please and please, this is something that we should not joke. Not be waiting. We're supposed to use laugh. They do say, hey, let Verydarkman focus on it by himself. No, this will not be only. This is not concern now. This is when they fight for so now for you and me, because it will become worst. Say if an AIG, as Assistant Inspector General of Police, person that is working towards to be an IG of the police system of Nigeria, is being corrupt, joining hands with ordinary civilian to send somebody to prison, pinning murder on the person. You don't even do investigation where they ask you what is going on. You say you cannot bring yourself so low. Small time from bringing yourself so low, you are sending people to go and negotiate with Verydarkman. From the negotiation, small time you they send petition, and you said you are an AIG. With all due respect, AIG Moshood, Jimon, if anything should happen to Verydarkman, we will go hold you responsible. We are going to hold you responsible. It is very, very important that we hold you responsible. If anything, if scratch touch Verydarkman, we go hold you responsible. We are going to hold you accountable for it. Because if the justice system of Nigeria is not messed up with people like you, an ordinary civilian will not sit in his office and start investigating cases and start tagging you that you are evil.
Download Find Am now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store, and Google Play Store.
Hello, everyone. I just saw this message here and it's so apt. It said, for the first time, this is from Everest at Novi Everest on X. He said, for the first time, Tinubu met with people who were not clapping at every nonsense he says. Thank you, Catholic bishops. I think at this moment, every one of us, we should really thank, the Catholic bishop for really standing up and doing the thing that religious leaders are supposed to do. Standing for truth, justice, equity, standing with the masses in times of hardship, not going to go and lick the feet of a dictator, of someone who has failed in governing Nigeria and has made the lives of Nigeria extremely miserable. The Catholic Church, the Catholic bishops went in there and they represented what they're supposed to stand for, what they stand for the truth. And they knew that there's only one God that is there that people serve, and that God is not Tinubu. A lot of other religious rulers have forgotten that it is God that we serve, and that God is not Tinubu. When they go in there, the psychophancy of what they do is focused on licking the behind of a man who is not even supposed to be in that office in the first place. Religious rulers have turned the responsibility they have, the dignified responsibility that they have, into something that has become something worthless because of their psychophancy. You're finding religious rulers are the ones who are going out there supporting people who are not doing well for the people who are leading wrongly. Instead of telling them the truth, instead of calling them out, instead of ensuring that they know that doing the wrong thing has a repercussion, not just in this world, but in the hereafter. But you see, at every moment, they collude to ensure that Nigerians are kept down. And one thing I will say to you, at the end of this, I'm going to show you a video of Cardinal Onaek.
Download Find Them now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services, and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.
Now for the record, JP 2026, you don't understand. Congratulations to both of you, Peter and Jarvis, you don't understand. See, now me and people so now, it gets why. Personally, I don't know, I don't want to talk about why they are happy, because it gets some kind of people without talking here, you understand. It gets some kind of people when they're teaching when I don't go marry. They even went forward to even bring old videos. They begin post all that. You see those videos recently for TikTok. Mature mothers. Whether they do those, whether they pay them to do all this things, me, I don't really know. As soon as I see the wedding now, I don't like her. And I'll tell you for free, parallel marriage will be one of the best marriage in this year. You don't understand. We will not regret celebrating you people. It's a very special prayer. We're not going to regret what will come outside. Because say yes, we support this marriage. And I believe so that not going to disgrace us. You don't understand. I'm very, very happy for you. God bless you. God bless your home. God bless your family. God bless the Akim family. You don't understand. God bless you. Please keep shining. Keep shining. More wings to fly. You be pursuing get grace. Your grace the flow normally. Your grace not the church grace. Now grace will be like say anybody when see him go acknowledge him. Now grace will be like say, you know they come on. And one good thing I like about you, you are appreciative. You appreciate person. If they do something for you, you go appreciate, and you are not an ungrateful somebody. You know understand. And I believe this girl you marry, so she not go disappoint you. That's the biggest truth. You know understand. And the sweetest thing is that I'm being gay. You know understand. I do states. We know they lose that for this side. Sure you get. I pray personally for you that this marriage will work, and I'm happy to see it. Say they come outside this way. Sure you get, because you be person like I don't like personally, because you be person like say you they consistent. You do your thing back to back. This person they say, oh, hell not sabi talk. And the feasting and the way you take the talk, that make you your thing they go successfully the way they go. That's how you not get made for the industry. Sure you get, you're a small boy and you they do well. And when I see small boy like me, when see the small boy too, way they do well, and they like celebrate them because it's not common, easy. You don't understand. So a big congratulations to your home. God bless you. Every other person that turned up today for the marriage, God bless you too. If you look for wife, as you go there, God will give you wife. You don't understand. And for all the celebrities that turned up for him today, God bless you so much. I really appreciate. Sure you get. When I am happy for this person. Mostly this is a speller of a person. And this Jarvis saying marriage later come to pass.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, Go and search for it in findamnow.com.